politika. Ayaw natin maging presidente si Vice President Sara, talunin nyo na lang sa 2028. Ngayon, kung talagang may ginawa siyang masama, edi impeach pero sa tamang paraan. I apologize if I'm emotional on this issue, but hindi tayo makawala eh. Ang daming mas importanteng issue, pero nakapako tayo sa issue na to. Thank you, dear colleagues, and thank you to the Filipino people for the opportunity to share my thoughts on this. So I vote for the motion of Senator Marcoleta.
Secretary will proceed.
Senator Cayetano Pia.
I vote yes, Mr. President, and I will explain my vote.
The lady may proceed.
Thank you.